Tenga shell.
What shell?
Tenga shell.
Hindi ako magsasalita. I'm taking pictures.
Tapos na ako.
Concentration. It's a video. He's looking for the empty shell underneath the table. What happened to your head? Okay, what's next? Good. Inspection. That's the good thing about that manual. Boom. Okay. Boom. Okay. Inspection. Good. Perfect. Head. Good. Always inspect first. Boom. Boom. Diin. Diin na? Good. Good. Okay. See? You got it. It's only 1 minute. Almost 2 minutes. You can make 2 bullets in a minute, maybe more. Concentration, inspection. Okay. Very good. That's how easy, Dillon.
Oh,
What happened? Ah, I heard something. What was that? Inspect. What was it? How come there's a different sound before?
hindi bumuo masyado.
Huh?
Hindi bumuo.
Which one? Because you did put it right in the middle, maybe. Okay, that is Dillon Precision.